Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Let's talk about ETO course eligibility. So first of all, I'm assuming that आपने डिप्लोमा किया इलेक्ट्रिकल या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में या फिर आपने बीटेक करी है इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग में, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग में और इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन, इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन और एनी इक्विवेलेंट ब्रांच. So in case of BTech, if you have scored more than 50% in your final year, your age is less than 30. In your 12th, you have secured more than 55% in PCM and you have got more than 50% in English in your 10th or 12th, you are eligible. If you have done only diploma, not BTech, and you have got more than 60% in diploma, along with in 10th English, you have got more than 50%, right? You are eligible for a few companies. So right now, what you have to do is अगर आपको चेक करना है कि आप किस किस कंपनी और कॉलेज के लिए एलिजिबल है, फर्स्ट थिंग इज गो टू मर्चेंट नेवी डिकोडेड वेबसाइट, go to calculator section, go to the left hand side, you can see this calculator section where it is mentioning eligibility calculator for bracket में GME ETO IMUCT. Click on that, then click on the ETO tab, fill all the details. Automatically this calculator will calculate as per whatever degrees and marks you have got, which all colleges you are applicable for, which are companies you are eligible for. Then immediately go back on the website itself, go on the career section, go to start as beginner, and over there go down below into the college portal section, click on ETO and check which all colleges are we recommending. Like presently we are recommending Anglo-Indian Maritime Academy, Tulani Maritime Institute, Seven Islands and MSC Shipping Company, which sends either to IMI or some other college, and their fees is ranging between 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs approximately. It's a 4-month course. You do that course, after that you have got a sponsorship or you have joined a college which has got 100% placement. That is why we are recommended these colleges. So now you have joined the college. 4 months later, you go as a trainee ETO on ship, you perform on ship, you come back, you give your exams, clear ETO COC exams, move ahead in life. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. So guys, I have told about ETO eligibility. I have talked about best colleges. I also want to talk about ETO aspirant excellence package कि भैया यहाँ से अगर आप पढ़ोगे, you will not be confused. A great content specifically made for you guys. Study from it. It will help you prepare for your online test as well as your interview. The link is in description box. There are few trial videos, you can watch them as well. This is all I can suggest. Hundreds of them have benefited. What are you waiting for? Take care. Bye.